joins. So let's understand what is a join and the different types of joins. Joins are used to combine records from two or more tables in a database. A join always locates related column values in the two tables. The four most common joins are left join, right join, inner join, full outer join. Let's understand each of them in detail. Left join is used to return all the rows from the left table, table 1, even if there are no matches in the right table, and the matched records from the right table, table 2. As you can see in the given example, all the records from first data frame have been returned by the left join operation. Similar to left join, right join is used to return all the rows from the right table, table 2, even if there are no matches in the left table and the matched records from the left table, table 1. As you can see in the given example, all the records from second data frame has been returned by the right join operation. The inner join selects records that have matching values in both tables. If there is no matching value, it will return null, as shown in the given example. As shown in the given example, the full outer join return all records when there is a match in either left table, table 1, or right table, table 2, table records. Typecasting. Sometimes you may need to change the data type of one or more columns of data in order to perform join operation on the given data sets. In such cases, you should have knowledge of typecasting. Let's understand what is typecasting. Typecasting is used to convert the existing data type of an object to the required data type, or say it as, typecasting is the method of changing an entity from one data type to another. Let's look at different typecasting functions, such as string. It returns string from any numeric object or converts any number to string. Int. It returns an integer object from any number to string. Float. It returns a floating point number from a number or string. So what are the types of typecasting? There are two different types of typecasting. Implicit typecasting. This type happens without your effort and is done in order to simplify coding. Explicit typecasting. This is primarily done to reuse the code and dry programming. Typecasting converts one data type into another. For example, int here converts any data type to integer. Similarly, float converts any data type to a floating point number. Demo labor hours comparison. Problem statement. As a macroeconomic analyst at the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, your job is to collect relevant data for analysis. It looks like you have 3 countries in the North_America data frame and 1 country in the South_America data frame. As these are in 2 separate plots, it's hard to compare the average labor hours between North America and South America. If all the countries were into the same data frame, it would be much easier to do this comparison. One probable solution might be concatenation. Let's go ahead with importing the libraries. Load the dataset North America. Similarly, load South America. Let's simply print the datasets to see how they look like. Now let's use the concatenation function to merge the data frames vertically and finally print the concatenated data frame. We can see that both the North America and South America data frames have got combined vertically, and hence it is easy to compare the average labor hours between the two. Great! Now we know how to vertically merge data frames. Let's quickly recap the steps we covered. Import libraries and the data set. Use the concatenation function.
This brings us to the end of data preprocessing. You are now able to demonstrate data import and exploration using Python, demonstrate different data wrangling techniques and their significance, and perform data manipulation in Python using coercion, merging, concatenation, and joins.